Christian Casser made the world's first sub-1 single on camera in 2011. At the time, 13 years ago, having a sub-1 single was something incredible. But then, that didn't mean you were a professional and found a great solution. It just meant you got lucky with the scramble. 2024. The 2x2 Rubik's Cube has become one of the most popular disciplines in WCA. No one is surprised by sub-1 singles anymore. Everyone is interested in who made the first sub-1 average. Zain Kanani got his first chance 2 years ago, but there was one last solve left that could make history.
No!
1 year later, he gets a second chance to do it, but still on his last attempt, he gets a +2 and still fails to set a world record.
Oh no!
We didn't know anything about this guy until 2023, until he set the world record for the 3x3 average of 469. Then 448 and a 347 single. And he's only 10 years old. He also has great singles in 2x2. And then, a couple days ago, he was able to make history. He's the first person in the world to average a 2x2 time faster than 1 second. That's 0.93. .093 is a world record by a wide margin. The former world record was 101 and was set by Zain Kanani. Interesting fact, this world record was set at McDonald's. The first sub-1 single at the WCA was set 16 years ago, and only now have we been able to make it an average time. What do you think about it? Write in the comments.